Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy Webinars YouTube channel, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 10th August 2023. The day is Wednesday. Welcome to this another live stream. I hope that my voice is coming through. Please let me know in the chat if my sound is reaching you. All right, guys. I am the member of the wonderful community. That is the community of the Dukas Copies traders. And please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. I am not an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. So whatever trading ideas or opinions that I'm going to discuss in this live stream, they are of my own. They have nothing to do with the Dukas Copy Bank. And in this next 30 minutes or so, we are going to discuss the price action and some technical analysis. And as I know that every piece of information is already on the chart, so we'll try to stick to the price action or the technical analysis only, and we'll only stick to the charts, not talk about anything like correlation or CPI data. I mean, fundamental analysis we will not be doing in this webinar. For our technical analysis part, we will be using the candlestick charts, and from those charts we'll try to deduce the key levels of importance for all the instruments that we see, and we'll see how we can use those key levels into our trading. At the end of the session, I'll be taking the questions from the viewers. Please feel free to ask any question if you have. And before I begin this webinar, let me tell you that this is only for your information and knowledge. Please do your own research before you put live trades or before you take live trades. This video or this webinar should not be seen as a trading advice. So this is the risk disclaimer. Please go through it completely, understand it. All right, here comes an interesting chart. This is the daily chart of the dollar index, and the dollar index is trying its best to go through this 103.25 levels, which we have discussed yesterday. We have discussed this level a lot, and also notice that there is still some room above this level before it strikes with the upper level of this falling channel. Okay, there is still room, But I think that 103.25 area is so strong. It has been so strong in the past. You look to the left, it has been very strong area in the past. So I think that the price should get saturated somewhere here and give us a selling opportunity very soon. Otherwise, even in the eventuality of this going through this, there should be a great breakout, because in that case all these stop losses will be triggered. The price will boom to the upside if it trades above these levels. Let us see how the things unfold. But right now the price is trading at this crucial level where I think there is a lot of resistance. I'm going to 30 minutes to check what happened during the day, if this is the first time that the price is coming here today or it is multiple. Okay, so this is the first time. So when the price like this comes first time at a very strong resistance, it rarely breaks that on that similar same candle. So in this 30 minutes, I don't think that it is going to break. So next 30 minutes maybe, but this 30 minutes it is very rare. Look at the volumes. As the price is going up, the volumes are going down. So the volumes are not supporting this move here. So this may be time for the bull squeeze, like when the bulls are trying to buy and somebody is silently selling this pair. There is a high probability that the price will come back from here to 102.61. Okay, now we cannot be sure what is going to happen, and we are not here to predict the markets as what is going to happen. So we'll just see what happens. Whatever happens, we'll go and trade accordingly. Okay, Benny is here. Hello Benny, welcome to the live stream. Okay, euro again, after yesterday's inside bar, it has broken to the downside, and here after this it has broken to the upside. So euro has broken to the downside. The next level of support is 1.0833. We know that if it trades below this, then it will be very bad for the euro, and the next target will be 1.0635 in this market. On the contrary, if the euro is able to find support around 1.0833 area, where it has some confluence of supports here in this region, if it is able to find support in this area, there is a possibility of going to 1.1065 and 1.1275 also. But if there is no support, which it looks like is not going to take support, but if it takes, fine. If it doesn't take any support at 1.0833, then the next potential target will be 1.0635. For the pound, again the price went higher but was rejected. We were expecting a move like this, that the price may go down to this area and then find some support here and then go up higher. Look at the 4-hourly price action. Okay. So every time the price is going higher, it is being supported by the volumes. Okay. Although today overall the volumes are low, there should have been higher volumes. But one thing is clear, that on 4-hour this falling channel has been broken to the upside. Okay, and now that channel is acting as a support for the buyers, push the prices further higher. But if you look at the daily, then it is not still broken. Okay, there is still time. Almost 11 hours and 49 minutes of trading day is there. And if for that reason, if we see some closing above 1.2738, which was the crucial level of resistance, okay, if the price closes higher than 1.2738, then the way from 1.2738 to 1.2818 is having no resistance on the way up. So this will be a very clean movement from here to here. On the contrary, if we see something like the price going down from here and making us a bearish pin bar here at the resistance, that will indicate that the sellers which came here today, they are very aggressive and want to push the prices lower. So in that case, we will be targeting pound towards 1.2590. Okay, but if we close the day higher than 1.2738, then it will be a clear indication that bulls are trying to take the control, which most likely it is. We have discussed it yesterday also, that the price is making higher highs and higher lows without any pullback. So 1.2818 may be there on the charts very soon. Now, how will it affect if the pound is strong and the euro is weak? Do you think that we can actually sell the euro GBP? If I have to bring one chart here, euro GBP must be at the resistance zone or at the support zone. So it is about to break down here. At this breakdown on the daily can push the price very far. Now, when I say very far, I mean these lows. And this can happen if and only if the GBP and USD behaves as we have discussed, like pound starts rising from here and euro starts falling from here, so that euro GBP can go ahead. Okay, so keep an eye on that. So what about the Australian dollar? Yesterday we discussed about the Australian dollar again going and closing below 38 levels of RSI. And guys, this is what happens when the RSI closes below 38, and this is what happens when you have a bearish engulfing after a bullish pullback in the downtrend. I think we have discussed it yesterday also, that Australian dollar, this all bullish price action has been negated by this bear candle, and today even if the price starts to rising, it was rejected, and now we can see bearish pin bar at the support. So the psychology behind this is that, all right, here we thought that this is the potential support. The price came, but it just rejected. I mean, it gave a clean breakdown of this. So those who thought that this is a buying area, they did not sell it here. Okay, they did not sell it here. So whenever they get another opportunity, they get to short the market. So they sold it here. Those who could not sell it here, they got another opportunity here. They sold it here again. So they sold and the price went here. We were expecting some buying here. Buying came, but it was not sufficient to push the prices higher. So all the buyers who entered, they could only push the prices till here. Even the next day the prices tried to go higher, but the sellers came in. Those who could not enter here, they wanted to enter, and they pushed the prices even further south below from where the price started rising. That means from where the buyers started their market, the sellers came above them and pushed the market below them. So that means all these buyers are out of market now. Now, if the buyers are out of market, which direction most likely the price is going to go? South. That's why we are having 6386.6386 as the next target. All right, and also notice that this last yesterday's candle, that is bearish pin bar, sorry, bearish engulfing, has occurred with a huge volume. That means there are more votes to the downside movement. That is 0.6386 is now clearly exposed in this market. Now, if this is exposed, which is the market which will be rising most? GBP, AUD. Okay, Euro AUD will be almost at the same levels, but GBP AUD will be rising. Euro AUD will be almost at the same level, but GBP AUD will be rising like anything. Boom, boom, boom. Yes or no? So you have to understand this correlation also to find this. Okay, now what about the New Zealand dollar? So on the similar lines, I think we have discussed about this also yesterday, that 1.5984 area is a very crucial resistance, and 0.5920 is the support area which we are targeting in this market. Okay. Similarly, similar like Australian dollar, nothing new. USD JPY, higher prices are awaited. 148.484 is the resistance. The support may be around 145.06 and 143.88 if the price starts falling from here. But if it continues rising, then 148.84 is going to be the resistance. Look at the volumes yesterday. The volumes are more than average. So something has just happened around 145.06. USD CAD also we are expecting higher prices, but since the price has met the channel here, I'll be looking for some pullback to the downside towards 1.3461 before it makes the move higher. And actually closing above 73, the RSI closing above 62 is an indication that the price is not going to come back. So the next target horizontal level is 1.3654 in this market, but if it starts falling from here, then 1.3462 or 1.3461 should be seen as a buying opportunity in this market. USD CHF very slowly inching towards the crucial level of resistance, that is 88.19. Till the time it is trading below this, I will not be looking for a buying opportunity, even though the price has more green candles. But see the wicks on the top, although there are wicks on the bottom also. So yes, there is a decision, but I am expecting a huge resistance around 0.8819. So whenever the price hits this area and gives me a bearish pin bar, I will be selling this market. So I am waiting for that price action. Okay, till that time I am not touching this market. Expect huge resistance at around 0.8819 or 8820, and expect this market to fall towards 0.8552 very soon. Silver, a falling market, yesterday gave us a pin bar, not the bullish one, but a pin bar which pushed the prices just above 22.50. Well, you can say in this manner that all the buyers who were here, they could push the price only to this level. Now this will act as a hangman if the price breaks below this low. If that happens, then there will be no one to save the silver from going towards 21.29. So even if today's candle goes below the or to tomorrow's candle, whenever it trades below the low of yesterday, then it will be an avalanche and the price will go towards 21.29, and there it can find some support, maybe. If it doesn't find support there, then it may even test 19.88. But yes, if there is support, which I think there will be, because it is a confluence of multiple supports. So yes, if there is a support, it may come back towards 22.50 and maybe even to 24.33. But right now it looks like that the price is going to test 21.29. Let's see how the things unfold in the future. These are the two important levels: 21.29, 22.50. Okay, now looking at the gold every time the price is going higher, it is being sold off. So you see that something is happening in gold. Maybe people are just giving up on their positions. 1892 is the crucial level. If I think I have already discussed that level yesterday. If the price goes below 1892, again, just like silver, there will be an avalanche, or you can say that there will be a breakdown of the price, and the price may go very far, 1800, I think. Yeah, 1804 levels, if the price falls below 1892. On the contrary, which I am expecting on the positive note, that the price should hold this position as a support and push above this falling wedge. In that case, 1929 will be the first target, and later on 1946, 1972 and 1987 will be the target on the upside. But I will not anticipate what will happen. Rather, I will wait for something to happen and then act accordingly. Okay, so it is very crucial time now, only 1 week. Within this week, something has to come up, the gold and also in the silver. So like I was talking about yesterday, that the Brent may offer us another buying opportunity very soon. The price is trading right now at 83.65, and the buying opportunity is around 83.30. Below this, I think we should not be buying. Above this, we should be looking for the buying opportunity. Right now, you may have some intuition, okay, we should buy this market, but don't buy. Okay, look at the candle. The candle is red. It is daily candle which is red. So do not buy right now. Look for some buying opportunity. When I say buying opportunity, don't enter the buy just in the region that we have discussed. Okay, look for some hints, like some bullish pin bar, some bullish engulfing, something like that on the support. The price must test 83.30 area and then give us some bullish candle like this, something like this, something like this. So there should be a wick which should be going and testing that level, and then the price should close green. Okay, so this gives us an indication, yes, there are the buyers at the lower levels. If there are no buyers in the lower level, what is my buying going to do with the price? It will do nothing to the price. So we need buyers at these levels so that they can push the prices and we can make profits along them. Okay, rather than me buying and pushing the market up, this is not possible. Okay, I'm just a flake. If I'm a flake, there's no point me buying here. So don't try to catch this falling knife. And whenever you see a green candle here with some huge volumes and bullish engulfing or bullish pin bar, then only buy the market. I think I have said a lot about this. And if the price starts on the upside, 85.82 should be the first level of resistance. Below 83.30, if the price trades, I think we should be cautious. Then we should not be looking for trading opportunity in this market. Talking about the Bitcoin failed to find any support here whatsoever. I think even this channel, if I create, that will also be not supporting. Okay, so that still has got room. Now this is my last hope. If the price even doesn't get some buyers here at the test of this channel, then I don't have any hope with the Bitcoin. Then I will look for 28,549 to break, and later on this rising channel to break. So let's see how the things unfold. But here, no hopes on the Bitcoin. Ethereum also on the verge of breaking 797 levels. Below this, the price will jump towards 621. That's all. On the upside, we have 2026 as the target. Till the time this 1797 is holding. If once it breaks, I'll be starting targeting 1621 and even these lows here. Why I have not marked these lows? 1699 is the level. Okay, below this 1699 is the level. Thereafter 1621 is the level. Euro New Zealand positive and positive only. 1.8629 is what we are targeting. If for some reason the price starts falling from here, 1.8081 should be seen as a buying opportunity. Even if there is further correction, then this rising channel should be seen as a buying opportunity. And at last, we should be looking at 1.7678. I think here this low should not be used. Now this low should be used. If not this, then this should be used. Why? I'm telling you, on the 4-hour it should be. So the price has made a higher high than this. So this becomes our valid swing low. If this is broken, we don't want to be buyers in this market. Then we want to become sellers. Okay. So this selling opportunity has raised its bar to 1.8204. Below that, I will be a seller. Okay. So I place my alert here. All right. Euro against the Australian dollar is right now on the resistance level, which I am expecting to break. 1.7385 is what I am expecting as target. So if not today, then maybe tomorrow. You see this bullish engulfing with a huge volumes. So do you think that this small resistance will be able to stop the price action here? Yes, it may be one day, maybe for 2 days, but tomorrow or day after it has to go towards 1.7385. So keep an eye on 1.7385 for the next targets. Australian dollar against the New Zealand. Yesterday we have placed a trade here and we are out. I think in the losses. Yes, we are out. Our stop loss has been triggered. Where was our stop loss? Our stop loss was just below this low of this particular candle. Now this is the only hope that this channel maybe this channel will get what we call it, respected. Which is less likely because we have seen this bearish engulfing on the daily candle at the resistance and the price has closed inside the channel again. So this you can say that this was a fake out. Okay, this was a fake out. There was a bullish pin bar, but the candle was followed by a bearish engulfing with a huge volume and closed inside the channel. And now this support level which we were thinking from this bullish pin bar, that it has been traded and the price is closed above that. Now that again has been traded and the price has closed below that, and now that is acting as a resistance. So yes, till the time now the price is trading below 1.0833, bullish action may not be considered. I think in that case the price may go down. But notice that this area will be very crucial for today and tomorrow. This area. Why? The price will be trading like this. Okay. Now either it has to break down and then we may get selling opportunity here, like boom, boom, or from here the price may go up and then we may get a buying opportunity here. So either way, this is a very, this area here is a very crucial, this for buying and this for selling. So keep an eye on this area, okay, or in New Zealand if you really want to trade. Hi Rakesh, my charts look different than yours and I am also on J Forex. Is it so? So you might have some difference here on the right side. If you see that I am using EST charts, my time frame is EST. Yesterday candle for me close not look the same. So just hold. What may be the reason? Are you using GMT close? What is written here in your chart? Just tell me. What is written here in your charts? On the top right corner, like in mine it is written EST. What is written in your? I'm using Eastern Standard Time. Why I'm using Eastern Standard Time? Because why I'm using Eastern Standard Time? I have a question about the hammer in the charts. Now gold on the H1 is making, but I'm not sure. Okay, let me check it out, please. I switched to EST and nothing changed. Oh, even I think that nothing is changing. Not from here, but I think you should change from settings, preferences, go to settings, go to preferences, go to charts, and then there drawing settings, or drawing settings, day start time, EST. Is my chart, is your chart looking like this? You see my now on the screen. Is your chart looking like this? Is it looking like this, Peter? Which area are you right now, Peter? Where are you? Are you at England? Where is the setting? Do I change the time? So you change the time in the preferences chart. That should be set to EST, UTC -5. All right, so this should be our chart, whatever. Well, my chart is EST. For you, I can switch it to GMT or UTC, but then also it will not change anything in the chart. It will only show you here what is the time going on. Okay. GBP AUD broke 1.9800. Don't be unhappy about that. 1.9800. It will even go to 1.9900. Don't worry. So what I was saying, that till the time the price is rotating in this area, it will be difficult to manage. If it goes higher than this 1.0833, we can be sure about buying this market. Below this, we should be looking for a selling opportunity with the target of 1.0718 and even towards 1.0586 and 1.0559. Benny is saying that I have a question about hammer in the charts now. Gold on H1 is making a hammer, but I'm not sure. We can check it out. Gold on H1 is making hammer. Why would you even consider the hammer when the price is going lower? Okay, hammer is something like this. This is called hammer. Okay, we also call it bullish pin bar. So will you consider any bullish pin bar on the way down even if it has not touched the support? Will you consider it, Benny? Or in New Zealand we have discussed GBPAUD is the one. So my friend is saying that 1.9800 is broken. Yes, 1. But that is not a level. It is only a psychological level. Should I keep my buy? Then I got my buys with a TP 1.9850. Of course, but why did you buy here? With what? There is no resistance here. 1.9800. We have resistance at 1.9897. By all means, you can keep your this thing. But what is the SL that you are going to keep? That is the big decision that you have to make in the GBPAUD. What is the stop loss that you are maintaining? From 4 hours point of view, this should be a stop loss 1.9705 if you are already long below this. From the hourly point of view, also the same. So your entry was good. Yes, you have entered a very good position, I will say. Okay, I fixed it. Stop loss 50 pips, Benny 1:3. If you have taken 1:3, so I think you should get out. The psychological handle has been tested, although there is no sign of reversal from here. Benny, there are no signs of reversal. If you are very cautious, what you can do is you can look at this 5 minutes chart, okay, and see something like this is happening. Okay, see something like this is happening. See some indecision on the top. If the price breaks to the upside, you bring stop loss here. Simple. Around 1.9780. I think you will be happy by that. Bringing your stop loss to 1.9780. Okay. But that you will only do once the price breaks higher than this level. What is this higher level? What is this level here? 1.9805. If the price goes higher than 1.9805, you bring the SL here. You may get some 80 points more here. The chart default start time was EET. All right, Peter is saying I did not adjust. Okay. Not yet. It's 1:2 now, but the target was 1:3. So yes, 9720. This was your stop loss. Then I think you have already got. What are you talking? Okay, from 9710 it was 30 pips, 50 pips. Okay, you are asking too much, but it is not too much because it is below the resistance level that we are targeting. Okay, 91.98 9897 is the resistance. So I think you will get your 1:3 here in this market. That is 150 pips, right? So that is within the range of this one. We have 180 pips of targets. So it is possible, very much possible. There is no need to be afraid, but even in the process, my suggestion is that, what is my suggestion? How you maintain the position here. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry, not feeling well. So now you are in profits. You have not realized those profits. Understand this part, Benny. This is very interesting part. Okay. You have some unrealized profits, which you can see here somewhere. And you think, okay, you can be richer than this. But what if the price goes below this and keeps falling? It will make you even sadder. Rather than that, you will bring your stop loss. Right now, your stop loss should be here. Right now, it should be here at around 1.9745. Rakesh, I never asked where do you trade from. I trade from Lucas Copies trading this thing, JForex. I always trade from JForex. Okay, so this time this should be a stop loss, but as soon as the price goes above this, this will be a valid low on the 5 minutes or even on the 15 minutes. So your stop loss should come below this. Okay, my SL is at entry. There's no point in keeping your SL at the entry, because your entry is now here. Okay, sorry, somewhere here. You don't have to keep your SL here. Your SL should have been raised, because there is a higher high and higher low formed already. So your next stop loss should be below the higher low, which is here. Now here, this will be a higher high and higher low. This will be a valid low only when the price makes a higher high here than this one. So as soon it happens, your stop loss should come here. This is called trade management. So you will lock in this profits as well as this profits. So even if GBPAUD falls from here, it triggers your stop loss. You will have some profits, and your trade will be without any risk. Even if you let it run to say some plus 80 pips, it is all without any risk. Okay, thank you. Sorry, I'm in which country? I trade from India. INDIA. Like I said, that GBPAUD is more likely to go higher because the pound is green, Australian dollar is in a very bad shape. So GBPAUD may give you maybe even higher than 98, 1.9897, but this is the minimum that you should be targeting. Although you are, I think, targeting somewhere around 1.9870 area. So you are in a very good, I think, position. All right. So I will remove everything because I never go to 5 minutes. This is a webinar where we should not be even talking about 5 minutes. But I think this is how I will manage my position if I have an open position like this. All right, so next thing that we should be talking about is the USA 30. Will we get another buying opportunity? Most probably, because now whenever the price tries to go higher from here, it will be rejected by 34,921. So the best area of opportunity for us to go long in the USA 30 is here, 34,434 area. But should we be looking to buy this market? No, not right now. We will buy this market when we see a lot of congestion here and a good rejection from this level. Although I'm expecting a huge rejection from this level, because after this breakout we have never come to this level. So this may be the first time you may see that the buyers coming in with the targets of 35,845. Let's see how the things unfold. Can we please check gold again? Yes, we will check gold again. Let me complete these 5 things, or you want to check it right now? Something is happening here. The gold is very far from 1892. It still has to drop $5. Now, if that $5 it drops on the hourly, I'm saying that the buyers who entered here, they will be out of the market. Now, if this was the last hope of the gold, do you see? This was the last hope of the gold, but this was not through the support area. So I will not even consider this. When the price drops to 1892, how it behaves there, that is my concern. So Benny, till the time, you don't look for buying this market, first thing first, okay? Don't look for the buying this market today, at least not in the next 1 hour. You may get a buying opportunity, the price may go higher. This is just May and May. You enter the market only when you see something like this, bullish pin bar, something like this, and the low of this bullish pin bar should have gone through this level. Okay, I am long from 1900. Why why in the hell are you long from the 1900? If you're long from 1900, then I will say that just pray to the god that the market drops here and then go like this, which is my expectation. But I will also keep a tight stop loss below 1890 levels. So keep a check on this. That's why you are concerned. I kept getting rejected from it, kept rejected. Yes, it kept rejected, but where is your stop loss then? The next question is, where is your stop loss? You want to enter the market in 1900 region, that is okay, fine. You got an idea, but where is your stop loss? If you are wrong, then what? Will you allow this trade to blow your account completely, or do you have any stop loss in place? Simple question. And I need a number. Where is your stop loss? Benny, now I think you are here without any stop loss. I took the stop loss of my SL was 1898. So your stop loss was, why do you place a stop loss? Now the simple question, why do we place a stop loss? The answer should be in the chat. Why we need a stop loss on any trade? Simple question, should have a simple answer. Why the time you answer, let me cover these CAD JPY and other pairs. So CAD JPY, nothing is there, nothing is there to discuss because it is not making anything. CAD CHF, check. CAD CHF, yeah, CAD CHF is actually making me anxious because below 0.6476 I think it is going to drop to protect the trade. So it's not to protect the trade, it is to protect your account balance. Risk management went out of the window today and you are still in profits because you are making some money on GBP AUD and you are thinking, okay, this is not a loss, so I don't mind even if I get some loss because I have made money in the GBP AUD. But no, this is something which you are training your mind to do when you are in trade, and this is not right. So you are making a bad habit for yourself. So my request is that even if you're going to make gazillion pips in the gold because your stop loss is triggered, you just close this trade in the loss and let it be a lesson in your journal that I moved my stop loss. I was wrong. I was wrong in a trade and I moved my stop loss. You should not do this, or you should keep your stop loss around 1892 or below, which is the strong support. Why would you keep your stop loss below the boom boom support? Why not from below the strong support? Now you're saying I got two lot sizes open at 1900, bum bum blah blah blah. So there is a possibility that the price will rise from here. I am saying by all means there is a huge possibility that the price will start rising from here, but you should have waited for the price to give you any hint. Now you may be saying that, okay, I had this hint, then it went all up towards 1906 and then it got rejected. Okay, I will not come heavily on you because it gave you multiple times, it gave you hints of bullishness here, and again those bulls are out, so you should have your stop loss just beneath this, that is 1899.06. So watch out for such things. Okay, once these people who were protecting the bulls, when they are out of the market, why you want to stay in the market? Simple question, and you know the answer already, I think. All right, so I was saying CAD CHF, I think a trade below 0.6476 will open the way to the downside movement, which we have not planned on the chart yet. But also notice that my RSI will also be closing below 38. Now, when the RSI closes below 38, this is very, very crucial from the technical point of view. You look at the past, when the RSI closed below 38, boom, boom, boom. Okay, look at here, when the RSI closed below 38, boom, boom, boom. Look at here, when the RSI closed below 38. I'm not saying this just like that. You look at this pin bar, or sorry, bearish engulfing, boom, 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 like this. So today, the price is about to close the RSI below 38. 37.61 is the level. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, there is a higher probability that the price will drop below 0.6476. Fingers crossed, but it's the first time we break 1901, so I think it will go back to test it. Don't you think? $19.01. Nah, I don't think. Guys, I go with this. Oh, sorry. Benny, I think I will go with this market structure. And now anyone can look at this and tell me what is happening. So from here, this low and this high, within them, this is a consolidation. Okay, look at this. This is a consolidation. This low has not been taken out. This high has not been taken out. So the price is making lower high and higher low. But as soon as this low is taken out, boom, boom, boom. As soon as this is taken out, it will again convert itself to lower highs and lower lows. So the price has made this high, sorry, this high and this low. Thereafter, it made this high and this low. This low is taken out, boom. So now in the process, say if it closes or not closes, if it crosses below this low like this, then this will become a valid high and we'll be looking for a next low, a next high, a next low like this. Okay, so I think you should be very cautious. Just pray to God that the price doesn't drop to 1892 and below. If the price drops below 1892, I will even become a seller in this market. So there's no point in buying. But yes, you keep your fingers crossed. And if you get a chance to say go out of this market close to 1900, you should get out. Okay, now I'm coming back to my positions here. CAD CHF, I have told you. GBP CAD, we are buyers and 1.7333 is the first target. Before that, I don't think there is any good resistance. Above that, 1.7376 is the next resistance, and thereafter we will plan whatever is the next level. Okay. On the downside, if the price starts going, this channel should provide a dynamic support to the price, and the horizontal support is at 1.6872. But see how miraculously it has come up. How it has come up. Understand this part completely. This is very interesting. Earlier, the price had made this high. Yesterday, it made this high, and today it has made this high. So this was the swing low. I will mark this on the chart. This was the swing low. This was the swing low, but it was not a relevant low. Rather than this was the relevant low, 1.6872, because this was the high. And between these two highs, this was the highest low. Okay. Now between these two highs, 1 and 2, between these two highs, this is the highest low. So now this is the relevant low. And even after coming from here to here, if it makes a high like this here 3, then this low that the price would have made, this will become the relevant low. So if the price breaks below this, we will become sellers. Right now, if the price breaks below this, then we will become sellers. Earlier, if the price would have broken below this, then we would have become sellers. Understood the concept? This is very easy to understand now, but very important with this example. This is what I am talking about. Number 3, I am talking about in future, if some low forms here around 1.7153 and then the high makes another high is made which is higher than this, then this will become your relevant low and we'll sell the market like this. Right now, if the price goes below 1.7002, then we will sell like this. Earlier, we would have sold like this. So all this should be clear to you. Now coming back to this, so since this 1.7002 is the relevant low now, so we'll look for the price action like this. Either it should go up from here or it should go below like this. So in both the cases, we have multiple areas, okay, of interest. Now this is no more area of interest. So this is the dynamics of the market. Okay, thank you. You're most welcome, Benny. That's why we are here. So you are long in GBP also, right? Let me take you to 5 minutes here. So don't be surprised if it erases all your profits here, okay? So like I said, keep your stop loss somewhere here around 1.9745 so that you don't cry afterwards. Oh, my all profits are gone. Okay, don't cry. So GBP CAD we have discussed. US Tech, we are bearish on this one, guys. We are bearish on this one. 14,687 is the support. One last thing, we got the FOMC in 10 minutes, so I don't know what to do. If FOMC is coming in 10 minutes, believe me, Benny, it may happen both sides also. Like it may even take 1892 levels, go down and then go to 1929 and maybe even to 1946. You never know. And this can even go towards 1850 also. FOMC is a big deal. It cuts you both sides. mostly it cuts you both sides. And if you're a small trader with small amount in your account, then expect $0 after this FOMC in your account. This has not happened once, this has happened multiple times with me. And I'm saying it to you openly on the live stream. This is what mostly happens. FOMC is not news. FOMC is a way to take out your money. Nevertheless, I don't want you to be so afraid. I hope that your account size is not very big and it will not give you a big blow in your life if it is zero after some time. The USA Tech, we are expecting 14,687 to be tested very soon. Today's low volumes in the markets may be because of then FOMC. Okay, because the day FOMC, before FOMC, the volumes are generally very low. We're coming back to USA Tech. Resistance on the upside is 15,265. ODJPY, we are bullish on this one, but we are looking for some signal from the price, which is not coming right now. The price is trading within those symmetrical triangles. I think trading and closing above 94.95 will give us a clear indication, and trading and closing below 93.03 will also give us a clear indication. Right now there is no clear indication, so I will say stay away. Are you trading on Benny on demo, Benny? Euro GBP last. Oh, Euro GBP is on the verge of closing below 0.8544. So this is also very interesting. We'll keep this on our radar. I think this channel or this thing is already gone, and now 8.8407 will be the next mark on this one. 22,000, it is US dollars or is it pounds? What are you talking about? If it is pound, then it is huge. Even if it is euro dollar now, that is also huge. That is huge. No real lol. I don't believe in demo. If you don't believe in demo, then stop doing some crazy things like this. So guys, I just okay, Benny, my all fingers are also crossed for your this gold trade, because gold becomes very volatile when the FOMC is there around. In demo, I flipped a 500,000 account 1.2 million. Okay, so 1892 is the crucial level, Benny. Keep an eye on this one. Okay, keep an eye on this one. If it is not holding, if you see that there is a clean close below this, then do not keep your position. Rakesh, how can we interpret what direction is happening on cross pair like AUD New Zealand and Euro GBP? Peter, brother, simple technique is to go with the market's structure. Go with the market structure. AUD New Zealand, we have discussed about it. What is the market structure suggesting? This is the low, and here there was a high. Okay, so since the price is not going higher than 1.0925 or lower than 1.0718, so it is consolidating, you can say, on the daily, because the price is not making higher high or lower low. Okay, that is one thing. Even on the monthly, one of our friends yesterday suggested that after making this low, the price made higher high than this one, but this high was lower than this high. So when we switch to the weekly or monthly, we notice that there is a consolidation in that market structure also. Now you see here, the price made this high, then this low, then this high, then this low, this candle, look at this candle, and then it made this high, and after that the price failed to go higher than this high and lower than this low. Even if I remove this here, now it will be very easy. Now this is on the monthly, this is on the weekly. I'll show you from the weekly. So these two levels, highs and lows, even these are not taken out, and this is what has happened on the daily. So when you switch to daily, you will notice that even these highs and lows are being protected. So that means there is a lot of consolidation. There is no one directional move. But before this consolidation, where was the market going on the daily? So it was making lower highs and lower lows. So most probably it will make another move to the lower side, most probably, because the dominant trend before this consolidation was downtrend, right? But in the process, do you see this high? Yeah, I'll show you. Do you see this high? This candle's high is being taken out by this candle's high. So when this is by a very small this thing, but when one high is taken out, we become cautious. We become cautious because we want to see a change in the market structure. So we look for the buying opportunity, but only above this low, only above this low. Now above this low, this has happened. Well, the buying has emerged above this low, but this buying has not been able to push the prices higher than this recent high that we are looking for. Till the time the price doesn't break higher than this recent high, this low will not be a crucial low or an important low. It will not be. So this will be our crucial low till the time the price does not break higher than this high. Okay. When the price breaks higher than this high, then this market will become higher low, higher high. Higher low, higher high is an indication of uptrending market structure. Right now, it has not given us any higher high, but we are expecting that higher high. Okay. Because there is sufficient buying before this low was taken out. So yes, the bulls are in control, but they have not been able to push the prices higher than this previous high that the bulls had made. So the bulls are in control, but not in that control which is able to push the prices higher. Got the idea a bit, Peter? Little. We want the bulls to be in control, and for that we will know that if the price goes above the previous high, then only we can say yes. Right now the price is trying to go higher, make higher highs and higher lows. Even with this intention, I yesterday told you that this bullish pin bar looks like it is taking support at the previous resistances, and now it may be headed towards 1.0925, but no, it failed. It failed. Okay, and Australian dollar, which we are expecting to go further south against the US dollar, so expectation of AUD New Zealand rising from here has shattered. That's why we are targeting 1.0718, and even that I think will not be possible because this rising channel will push the prices higher. So let's see how the things unfold. That's why I have posed two directions. From the top side, if the price comes like this, then we will look for buying opportunity. If from the downside it comes like this, we will see it as a selling opportunity. All right, guys, I hope you know about the support and resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Please keep in mind to risk only 1% on your entire account, of your entire account on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you are going to take. Okay. Never risk your entire capital on any single trade. This is the first rule of thumb. And if you have kept a stop loss, first thing, it should be logical. Second, you should not move your stop loss. This is an indication of a weak trader. Okay. And please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section, and please consider subscribing to this channel if you are new for more such webinars. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow at same time. Bye bye. Take care.